How to delete recently played list on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the recently played list on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your recently played list on Spotify, first you want to open up Spotify. Once you open it up, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now if you tap on listening history here, you should be able to see your listening history. But if you should erase it, then as you know, there is no any option on the app itself. There is no any default option to delete your recently played list. But there is a quick trick. All you have to do is you'll have to log out of your account. Simply tap on profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down below until you find the logout option. Now all you have to do is tap on logout and log out of your account and log in back again, and your recently played list will be gone. So this way you can delete your recently played list on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.